you so much, sir, for really creating a magical night tonight. Now, I'd like to take a moment to thank our media partner, that is one and only our brother Nishant's One Bottleland. आपने One Bottleland सुना है? कौन है? So One Bottleland is a platform. Everyone has seen it on Instagram as well, on YouTube as well. So it's a platform for the youths that focuses mainly on facts, on a proper news, जो हमें
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ